Imagine your personal and sensitive court records being just a click away for anyone to see. In today's digital age, privacy concerns are at an all-time high, especially with court records online. These records can severely tarnish your reputation, affecting employment, business, and personal relationships. Potential employers often conduct online background checks, and finding court records can lead to job rejections. For businesses, court records can deter potential clients and partners, impacting the bottom line. Personal relationships can also suffer if court records are easily accessible online. Constant worry about who might see these records can take a toll on your mental health. The first step to removing court records from Google is identifying where these records are hosted. Court records can be found on official court websites, legal research sites, news websites, and public records websites. Once identified, contact the website hosting the records and request their removal. If the website refuses, the next step is to request Google to de-index the pages. Use Google's URL removal tool or the outdated content removal tool to submit your request. In some jurisdictions, you can use the right to be forgotten to remove personal information from search engines. If removal isn't possible, suppress negative search results by creating and promoting positive content. Create high-quality blogs, articles, and press releases that highlight your positive achievements. Leverage social media platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, and Facebook to post positive updates. Build personal or business websites with optimized content to improve search engine rankings. Submit your information to reputable online directories and professional profiles. Engage in online communities and share valuable insights to build a positive online presence. In some cases, legal action like expungement or sending cease and desist letters may be necessary. Hiring a professional reputation management company can be a worthwhile investment to restore your online reputation.